So this is a demo of Filter Searcher that I've created. So Filter Searcher extracts the top 10 paragraphs in the internet that can most likely provide the answers to a user's query. Filter Searcher uses deep learning to understand the user's question and paragraphs that it reads. So the searcher can even understand complex questions that the user can ask. And then it will provide the paragraphs that will most likely answer to that user's question. So basically, Filter Searcher helps the users research information easily and effectively. So let me show you how the program works. So I'm just going to ask a question. So the question can even be a statement. So let me try and ask a question. Let's say, what are the practical applications in quantum mechanics? So then if I see the overall results, Filter Searcher gives me the excerpts, the specific paragraphs I was extracted by searching articles. So it ranks the top 10 paragraphs. This first that's what Filter Searcher thinks that can most likely provide the answers to the question. And it ranks up to the 10 paragraphs. Now, although Filter Searcher is a deep learning algorithm, it's not 100% accurate. However, it's most likely, after many, many different types of experiments, Filter Searcher does give all the relevant paragraphs, and the most relevant is within the top 5 of them. So for example, quantum computing, right? These are the practical applications in quantum mechanics. And let's say I was interested in learning about more for this paragraph. So then I can click this, and I'm directed to the article that the Filter Searcher extracted. So then I can now read the article, guaranteeing that I will find the useful information in my question. Now, this is a little bit different for Google search. Now, if I type the same question in Google search, for example, practical application of quantum mechanics, I will get something of some of these links. Now I'm just going to talk about these sections that Google have, the snippets and people also ask. Now the snippets in Google search, they utilize a lot of big data and even knowledge graphs. So these sections, they're only for these companies that have a huge storage base, and they need to pre-process information in order to get these results. But what Filter Searcher kind of does is it does not have any pre-processing data. It does this on the fly, real time, reading articles and extracting them. And this is quite applicable to other company or startups that is willing to utilize these advanced search engines that Google might also provide. So if we remove this people also ask or this snippet section, Google will essentially have this one that is processed real time. Now, it does not show the interesting paragraphs that I might take a look and click on these articles. Instead, as the questions become much more complex, Google struggles to give me a direct overview on which paragraphs that I might want to read. Instead, when I'm in Google, I have to click the articles and I have to read and search every single time, hoping to find which paragraphs might give me the valid answers. So this is the conclusion for Filter Searcher. Now, as you can see on the screen, I am providing some other search queries as an example. Please take a look at the paragraphs that Filter Searcher has extracted, and feel free to give me comments on which parts that can improve in Filter Searcher and which functionalities I can add for my web app. So this web app is not functional yet. I am figuring out how to get a free web hosting server, and I'm trying to upload to, I think it's Heroku. But when it's released, I will inform all of you guys through a new YouTube video. And before that, please give me comments on how I can improve my web app. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching.